Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smartsheet dashboards for KPI reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Smartsheet dashboards for KPI reporting, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once logged in, locate the workspace where you wish to create the dashboard. Click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Dashboard/Portal from the drop-down menu. Choose a name for your dashboard that reflects its purpose. Click on OK to proceed. You will now be directed to the dashboard editing area. In the toolbar, look for the Widgets option. Select the type of widget you want to add, such as a chart, metric, or report. To configure a widget, click on the widget itself after adding it to the dashboard. For a chart widget, choose the data source from your existing sheets. Select the specific metrics or columns you wish to visualize. Customize the chart settings to fit your reporting needs. If using a metric widget, define the metric you want to display. Link it to the relevant data source by selecting the appropriate sheet and cell. Now, adjust the appearance settings for clarity and visual appeal. Repeat the above steps to add more widgets as required for comprehensive KPI reporting. Once all widgets are placed and configured, review the dashboard layout. Make any necessary adjustments for an organized presentation of data. When satisfied, click on the Share button to set sharing permissions. Decide who can view or edit the dashboard by selecting the appropriate options. Finally, save your changes to ensure that the dashboard is activated and ready for KPI reporting. Your Smartsheet dashboard for KPI reporting is now fully activated and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.